Hi there. Welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to discuss the Cardano DeFi ecosystem and ways we can make passive income setting up liquidity pools and through lending. If you're not subscribed, please consider doing it. Thanks so much. All right, let's get right into it. So I'm currently on their website. I did a video on the Cardano project and ways to stake your ADA token, so go check that out. For this video, I'm going to discuss the Cardano DeFi ecosystem. So if I go in here, click chains, I'm going to scroll down. I've done videos on Avalanche, DeFi chains, Solana, Kava, Osmosis. But down here, we got number 18, which is Cardano. Looks like they have just over 140 million in total value locked on chain. Today, we're going to be discussing the Minswap project, which is a decentralized exchange. We're going to focus on Indigo, Wingriders, and Liqwid, which is a lending protocol. All right, so if you don't already have a wallet for the Cardano blockchain, you'll want to get one. So this is the one I use. There's other ones as well, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use the Nami wallet. You'll want to secure your seed phrase and password, and you will need to have your Nami wallet password available when transacting. All right, so let's go over here to DeFi Llama. It looks like the biggest project right now in the Cardano DeFi ecosystem is Minswap. So let's jump over here. There's their main page. I want to click Launch App. I'm already in there. Once you're connected, I will connect my Nami wallet. And on this particular DEX, it's sort of like the Uniswap. I want to create a liquidity pool to collect fees that are generated within the Cardano DeFi ecosystem. So what I want to do is I want to click liquidity, click pool, and these are the different types of pools. And you could go down here and look at the trading fees. You want to look at maybe some of the how much orders are pending, how much volume, what's the total value locked. So if I even scroll down here, this one has 161 orders pending. If I click on, and it looks like they're charging just under 10% fees. So anybody trading this pair will pay fees to liquidity providers, which could be you or me. So once you have the particular pool you want to invest, I'm going to use the ADA Min one for this video. I want to go over here. Well, you can click it right here, add liquidity. And what's cool about this project is they have this zap function. I've seen it in one other project, and basically just zaps you into the liquidity pool using one token, your ADA token, quickly. So if I click zap, cool, let's do it. So I want to pick the total ADA tokens I want to invest in this particular liquidity pool. There it is. And what I would do is just hit zap. And I'm not going to do it for this video, but once you hit zap, it'll take, let's say, a minute or so to process. You could find it under orders. I did one earlier just to test it out, and it worked fine. And once you have your tokens in a liquidity pool, you want to come over to the farm, and you can stake those as well. So once you have them, you hit stake, click the amount of LP tokens you want to stake, and you'll hit add liquidity. And that's how you make passive income on the Minswap. And if you want to go over here, you could see your liquidity. So I also did another transaction. This transaction was done on another protocol, and we'll get into that. So the next one we want to discuss is Indigo. So let's go over here to their protocol or main page. This is your dashboard, and you can see I'm already connected to the wallet. So first thing we're going to do, we can swap tokens right on here. So This is where I swapped for ADA to the IBTC. And what IBTC is, it's just a synthetic Bitcoin token, and it's enabled by the synthetic protocol. But what this IBTC does is tracks the price of the true BTC asset through price feeds provided by Chainlink's network of oracles. So when I swapped here, it took the best price from Minswap and it actually put it under my liquidity here. So once I have the, like, let's say I want to come on here and I want to look at where can I make passive income? And it looks like right now you can make the most by this IBTC ADA. So I'm thinking, wow, how do I get involved in this? So what you're going to need to do, and you're going to have to follow along here, you're going to have to swing over to Wingriders. They're another DEX, and I'm going to enter their app. And it looks like you can also swap here, but I want to go over to pools. And if I scroll down, you can see the ADA IBTC, and it would say add liquidity, and you would add your liquidity to this particular pool. So once you add liquidity to this particular pair, then you can come back here. You could also go to farming, and you'll see you can manage. You can launch Indigo from right here. So basically what they're doing is creating a liquidity pool on Wingriders that you can invest on Indigo. So once that LP is set up on Wingriders, it literally takes like 5 minutes, or at least it did for me. You could go in here and deposit LP tokens. I already did one just to test it out, and it worked fine. And it looks like you'll be earning around 35% rewards. There's also this other thing called stability pools. And what the Indigo project is a CDP. And what that means is a collateral debt position. And I'm not going to get too far into it, but from what I understand is they accept so you supply Indigo with your ADA, minimum of 10. They mint a new asset, let's say IBTC. That IBTC is then borrowed. So they're borrowing that IBTC with your ADA. So they're creating debt, and you're making rewards off of this. So if I go back here, it looks like you're getting 65% APR. I mean, this is a rough estimate, but let's say Bitcoin goes down a few thousand, then your position is in jeopardy of being liquidated. So it's almost like borrowing crypto where you have to keep a certain threshold. Like I said, I'm not going to go too far into this. If you want to do your research, there's the link, and you can do that by clicking open account. You'll need ADA in here. So you need at least 10 ADA. And you also want to have IBTC. So you want to swap. So you want to have some additional IBTC in your Nami wallet as well to do that. And if you want, you can come over here to dashboards, and you'll be able to manage your position right from the dashboard. I put a very, very small one in just to test it out. It worked great. All right, and the last thing I wanted to discuss is lending. So you can also lend your ADA tokens. If I go over here to this app.liquid.finance, look, there's a W in there. It's not liquid. You can earn 5.8% rewards for lending your ADA token. And this is more than you would get for staking your ADA tokens. Obviously, there's risks. There's risk in these protocols. There's risk in the code. There's risk in the people. So you really want to continue to do your own research. You are investing on your own, and you're responsible for any of these investments that you make. But these are options that would make you passive income with your ADA token. All right, so I hope this video is informative, gave you the necessary steps to do Cardano DeFi and experiment and experience some of the different options that Cardano has in their ecosystem. I want to thank you for watching. I will continue to do videos on passive income projects in the crypto industry. Thanks for watching. Until next time.